everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evelyn Gomez and today I'm going to be talking about my 5 top favorite foundations that I recommend. The first foundation that I'm going to start with is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Liquid Foundation. This foundation right here is super lightweight. It's a sheer foundation, so if you're oily, I do not recommend this foundation because it won't be as durable. So I use this product right here for when I want some type of coverage in my face, but I don't want a full coverage. I mostly use this foundation during the day. It does come in 50 shades, so that's a pretty good variety of colors. It is on the high-end price, but it's definitely worth it. I don't recommend it for people that have oily skin because this is a really sheer foundation. So for people that are really oily, this foundation will not last long. So this one right here is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, but it's a stick foundation. And this foundation, it's super good. I use it almost every day because this is buildable. You can get from a media coverage to a full coverage, and it's not dry at all. So you can keep adding more until you get the coverage that you actually want. The next foundation that I truly love and wear almost every single day that I couldn't find to show you guys is from NARS. Is the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I really recommend this foundation because this foundation, it's perfect for when you want to achieve that glowing makeup look. It's $49. It is on the high-end price, but it's definitely worth it because it gives you this natural makeup look that you want to achieve, especially during the day. So if you're like me and you don't like for your face to look so matte and dry, this foundation from NARS, it's perfect. This is another foundation that I wanted to talk about. It's the MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation. It's this one right here. This foundation, it's perfect for when you don't really want to wear any type of makeup. You just want a little bit of coverage or some type of coverage in your skin. I definitely recommend this one. This is a really lightweight foundation. It's easy to apply, and lightweight foundations, I like to apply it with brushes, with a kabuki brush. I don't really like to use a beauty blender because I feel like it soaks up all the product and you're already getting a light coverage, so you don't really want to use a sponge when dealing with light foundations. By the way, you guys, on some of the foundations, I'm not telling you guys the prices. Everything will be linked down below, or I'll post a picture around up here or here about the range of prices for each one of them, the names and all the details you guys need to know about each one of them. This one right here is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation. So this foundation right here, I only wear it in occasions because I feel like it's really matte. Just because it's waterproof, your skin will be really dry. So this foundation is actually really good if you're super oily and you want that full coverage and you want your makeup to last all day long. This can last up to 16 hours. So if you want a full coverage and a long wear foundation, and if you're oily, this is the foundation for you. I truly recommend it. It's super good, and I wear it only occasionally, like I said, because I like more of a natural look. So that's why I don't tend to grab this one as much, but it's such a good product that I had to put it on my top favorites. So if I would have to choose between all of the products that I have talked about, I would choose the NARS foundation right here or right here. I would choose that one because I like a more natural makeup look, and that foundation has the perfect coverage for a natural and everyday wear. Alright you guys, so this is it for today. I really hope you guys like it and enjoy it. These are my top 5 favorite foundations. I really recommend them. If you buy any of them, you will not be disappointed because these 5 foundations are my top favorites. Like, I use them almost every single day except for the one that I told you guys, but I explained the reasons why. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, you guys.